Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we will learn how to create a set in Python with coding examples. As we know, set in Python is an unordered collection of unique elements. That means every item appears only once. There is no guaranteed order, and it's super efficient when checking for existence, like whether a value is present or not. Now, let's see how to create a set. Before that, create a new directory and name it as a set. Next, right-click on the set directory, choose new, then Python file. Let's give it a name, set_create. Let's now create a simple set. Create a variable called fruits equals within curly braces. Let's define the fruit items. Within double quotes, apple. Within double quotes, banana. Within double quotes, cherry. This is the most common way to create a set, but you can also use the set function. Let's type create another variable called numbers equals set function. Within the brackets, we pass a list using square brackets. Type 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Even though this list has repeated values, the set will remove them automatically. Let's now print both sets and see what we get. Type print function within brackets within quotes. Type fruit set colon. Add a comma, then write fruits. On the next line, print function within brackets within quotes. Type numbers set colon. Add a comma, then write numbers. Now run the program. The output may look like this: fruit set, curly brace, banana, apple, cherry, close curly brace, numbers set, curly brace, 1, 2, 3, close curly brace. Notice the order of the items is not preserved. That's normal because sets are unordered collections. Now let's say you want to create an empty set. You cannot use empty curly braces because that creates a dictionary. Instead, you have to use the set function. Let's type create a variable called empty_set equals set function with empty brackets. This creates a proper empty set. To confirm, print it using print function within brackets within quotes. Type empty set colon, add a comma, then write empty_set, and you will see empty set, set with open and close parenthesis, meaning it's truly empty. As you noticed earlier, when we print a set, the items may appear in a different order every time. This is completely normal. Sets do not maintain order, so don't rely on them for indexing or sorting unless you convert them into a list. Just remember, every time you print a set, the order might change, but the values remain the same. Let's now look at a real-world use case. Imagine you are building a system to store user IDs and you want to ensure no duplicate users are saved. A set is a great fit here. Let's type create a variable called user_IDs equals within curly braces. Define the IDs 101, 102, 103, 101, 104. Even though 101 appears twice, Python will automatically remove the duplicate. Let's print it. Print function within brackets within double quotes. Type unique user IDs colon, close quotes, comma, then user_IDs. Run the program. You can see the output: unique user IDs, curly brace, 101, 102, 103, 104 in some random order. This shows how sets help automatically remove duplicates and keep your data clean. Let's quickly summarize what we learned. A set is an unordered collection of unique items. You can create it using curly braces or the set function. Empty curly braces create a dictionary, so use set for empty sets. When you print a set, the order might be different every time. Sets are great for storing unique values like IDs, tags, or names. In the next lecture, we'll learn how to add or update items in a set. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.